Well, Jessica, they have contended from the beginning that the maps were gerrymandered. They feel that a lot of the black vote is put into these couple of districts in the northwest corner, and then that means that it in turn silences that vote across the rest of the city. So that federal judge who heard the case, well, she agreed and had some pretty choice words in her ruling.
It underpins all other rights we have, that we have a democracy, that people are allowed to vote on their representatives.
Jack Gemberg dedicates his work to voting rights as an attorney with the Southern Poverty Law Center. Upon seeing the new redistricting maps the Jacksonville City Council came up with, he felt the need to get involved.
Race was being clearly utilized as the predominant factor motivating the council members' decisions.
Judge Marcia Morales Howard agreed with Gemberg wholeheartedly when the case went to court, writing more than 100 pages explaining her decision. At one point stating in part, the irreparable constitutional harm will be complete and perpetuate years into the future. She noted the strange shapes of some districts led to obvious questions. As an example, she asked why District 8, which generally encompasses the rural Northwest, has a piece that reaches into a chunk of downtown. Another issue, the public wasn't listened to during the months of work that went into creating the maps, stating, quote, neither the Rules Committee nor the City Council made any effort to alleviate their concerns. In a statement, City Council President Terrence Freeman says city attorneys are looking into the full 139 pages of the judge's order, and City Council will explore its legal options to determine its next steps. Gemberg and his clients don't want to see the maps set back to what they used to be either.
This ruling that will end an injustice taking place to target these voters based on their race.
So the judge gave the council about a month until November 8th to come up with new districts. The groups behind the lawsuit will have the chance to critique what the city proposes and present their own maps. Now, this decision does not affect next month's midterms, but could have a pretty big impact in March 2023 when all city council seats are up for election. In the studio, Zach Wilcox, First Coast News, on your side.